Happy Sunday. I am drinking my athletic greens. I just put on some eye gels. These eye gels are from the brand Marie. They are a marine collagen eye gel with hyaluronic acid and pearl extract. These are sustainable, science-backed, compostable, and they're just so nice. They're great, super cooling, really, really nice to depuff your eyes. This is just one of my favorite things to do, is to put on an eye gel on a weekend morning. Just helps make me feel refreshed. Drinking my AG1 and just refilled my month's supply of athletic greens and just put the powder into the container and in the refrigerator. I need to take my pills this morning. I need to go to Bray Miller also to get Matt and I some groceries. We're gonna tag team grocery shopping today. I'm gonna go to the local grocery store and get a few things. Matt's dancing. And I need to try on all of my outfits to go to San Diego. I'm gonna pack with certainty on the different things that I'm wearing. So it's probably gonna take me like an hour probably to try on all the outfits and get everything all packed, maybe a little bit longer, but that is a major item on my to-do list. And I wanna work out. So I figured I'd bring you along for this fun, let's get shit done on Sunday, and I really want to try and get as much of this stuff done by noon as possible. It's 9:40, so I think I'm probably gonna head to Bray Miller soon, just to get that out of the way, because then the rest of the things that I'm gonna be doing today are at home, and then I can feel like I can really chill at home and enjoy the Sunday. Since I leave for San Diego, Matt has to drive me at like 3:45 to the airport Saturday morning. So it's gonna be a real early morning, which means today is kind of my last weekend day of like getting stuff done before the trip. So that's the plan. Let's dive into it. Nothing like a good old panic attack when you're trying to pack for a trip. I have everything laid out, my underwear, my shoes, socks, workout leggings, pants, shirts, sweaters, jackets, and now I'm gonna start trying everything on and making my outfits and making my packing list and trying to get everything to fit in the suitcase. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I did it. I have everything all set out for packing. I was just trying on all of the outfits, writing everything down. I feel really good about how little I'm packing. I think I'm gonna be able to make it all fit in this suitcase there. So I'm gonna throw on my workout clothes because I desperately need to work out because my anxiety is through the roof. So I'm gonna get my workout clothes on, then pack this suitcase, and then do a workout. Oh my God, I packed. I fit everything is in the carry-on. And I do think that I'm gonna have room to put some of my makeup in here too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so relieved. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Holy crap, that was stressing me out. So grateful for Matt, who really helped me to just like calm down. He kept reminding me that it's all gonna work out and that I was gonna be able to fit everything. And he also reminded me, he's like, worst case is you have to check a bag. Now that I know I'm gonna be able to fit everything in his base suitcase, I can put this suitcase, I can put my carry-on back in my checked one. And then I can throw that back on top of the closet. I actually don't know if I can do that alone, so I'm gonna wait for Matt to help me with that. What that means is now I can do a freaking workout. Gouda is so mad that I'm packing that he just stole my socks. Typical Goody. Oh my God, I feel so relieved. What a relief. to have my suitcase packed and to know that I'm gonna be able to fit it in the carry-on. I'm just feeling so much better than I did earlier. Oh my God. Thank God I'm feeling better. Thumbnail. Okay. So now that I am gonna still need to pack up my makeup and stuff, but I can't do that until literally Friday, the day before I leave, because I'm gonna be doing a whole face of makeup in a little bit later after I do my workout. So now that I'm packed and feeling so much relief, now I'm gonna get, it's like, should I do the workout or should I run to Bray Miller first and get all the groceries? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Bray Miller and then we're gonna do the workout. We've got my little Sunday to-do list here. So we're gonna cross out the packing and trying on outfits. We've got apartment tour vlog, workout, and Bray Miller still. It's 11:40. I was hoping that I would be done with my workout and packing and Bray Miller stuff by noon. I don't know why I thought that was possible. That clearly is not happening at all. But it's likely that I can be done with Bray Miller and back home by 12:15, and then I can start my workout around 12:30-ish. And then be done with my workout by 1:30. So running like an hour and a half-ish behind, but that's okay, it's Sunday. I am not in the business of making more stress for myself. I am so oriented mentally to making
mountains out of molehills.
I make things so much bigger, more stressful, and more complex than they need to be. And it is something that I have been working on literally since I was 16 years old. Like, I've been doing this work for 16 years of my life. And it gets easier, and I've gotten better, but man, is it still a practice. So finding grace for myself, I am choosing to not beat myself up for just being a very emotional human who's prone to anxiety. I wish that I didn't have that panic attack and cry so much this morning over feeling stressed about this trip, but that's okay. We honored how we felt, we let it pass through us, and now we're moving on to the other things and we're feeling good doing them. Poor baby Gouda is acting very, very mopey and sad because he has seen me packing. He doesn't like it at all. So I decided to make him happy. I'm gonna bring him with me on this little grocery run that I have to do. I'll prop you guys somewhere so that you can see how excited he's gonna get. He realizes he is coming along. Do you wanna go on a ride? Do you wanna go on a ride? Do you wanna take a ride together? Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah? Okay. Are we going on a ride, Gouda Bear? Yeah, we are. I'm back from the grocery store. So I figured I'll show you guys what we got, and then I'm gonna dive into this workout. So here it is. I got us mostly greens. Matt is out getting other vegetables, but greens are really cheap at Bray Miller. So I got us kale, blueberries, sprouts, chocolate for melting. I've never found chocolate for melting this cheap. This box was $2.11. This box was $1.95. For all this stuff, I spent $15. Ithaca hummus. We got the Buffalo Ranch flavor for this week. We always need to have Ithaca hummus in the fridge. It's a staple. And I got us some greens. So a box of mesclun mix, a box of arugula, and a box of spinach. These greens are the best. And then 1 cucumber. Finished up that workout. That was so good. And I just realized that I forgot something that I needed to get at Bray Miller. So I might run over there and get that really quick. First, I'm gonna help Matt. Matt has started our meal prep for our dinner tonight. We're gonna do a big pasta dish with broccoli, kale, mushroom. My battery died mid-sentence. We are making a pasta dish with pasta, broccoli, kale, mushroom, and onion.
We can put onion in there.
I'm gonna chop, okay, so I'm gonna chop up some onion. Oh, is this the new one?
Yeah.
Okay, old onion. So chop up some onion, get it added to the veggies that we are gonna use. We're making some pasta. Yeah, and I think then maybe I'll just run out to Bray Miller so that I can get the dried fruit that we're gonna need to make a salad, and then I can get showered, get ready, and then film an apartment tour vlog, which I am so excited for. So yeah, I'm gonna dive into some meal prep stuff with Matt, then go to Bray Miller and do all the things. Honestly, I'm gonna end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed a little Sunday erranding of packing, getting some groceries, doing a little workout. I'm feeling so much better now than I did earlier, and that's a huge win. The endorphins from this workout were essential. And so yeah, and the sun is shining. I'm gonna make an amazing rest of the day. It is 1:10 now, and I know I had said to the vlog, I think that I'll be done with my things around like 1:30, and then I can start getting ready. And so I'm pretty much on track for that timing. So I'm feeling good. Gonna have a great rest of the day. So if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.